Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the previous video, we have learned about the register part. Then we are going to learn about the login, how to create the REST API login in the Node.js. Let's have a look. In the previous video, we have just get this token. So let's try to log in with our authentication token. So we have to just copy this one and add the login route. So here we are just adding the login. Okay, so make it post, and this is our token. So let's copy this one. Okay, so here we have a login, then we have to post then authorization, that is headers bearer token, or let's check what they are accepting. So here you can see that starts with bearer. Okay, header dot requires dot authorization starts with bearer, or require dot headers dot authorization. So let token they are mentioning, so we have to add the bearer, right? So let's take the token part over here. And where is the login route? So this is routes, this is login. Okay, what it accepts: email and the password. If the email is not correct, please provide the email and the password 400. If it is email is there, okay, then we we are checking. Otherwise we will ask them invalid credential if it is not found. Okay, then we are using the match passwords because we have already told about this. So we are matching the password, that schema that we have done in your models. So where we have a user.js, so match password schema is this one. So we are comparing the passwords. If it is correct, it will, if it is written true, then the passwords are matched, right? If it is not matched, then invalid credentials. Otherwise we are just send a token user. We are using this one, send token, to send to retrieve the user information, right? So let's have a look on that one. So let's log in. I think we should use, I think we should get only with the body, username and email, and the password is okay, or what they're accepting, email and the password. So let's add this email and the password. So remove this one and let's try to log in this one, send. You can see that success true, and the token we are receiving one. So now this token we are going to use to assess the rest of the information, like profile information, what the user is. So with the help of this token we can assess anything, right? So let's understand the code. Let's take example, if I do like put the wrong one, okay, what happened? Invalid credentials. Okay, if I just, this one is correct, and I have just add this one, add this not added, invalid credentials again. Okay, so you can see that the proper validations are working fine. Okay, so anything is wrong, if the password is not matched and the password is not correct, invalid credentials. Okay, so this is the register, this is the login part. Okay, so here after the successful registration we are just sending the token to, for the future, so you can assess their profile. Anywhere you are just adding this middleware to assess the rest of the things, right? This is the authentication part. Okay, so any doubt, any query in this function or anything, that let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.